Hello guys, in this video I will talk about some website where people can get your job easily and you people can move to Australia through these websites. So this video is more helpful. You can get your job 100%, and if you will follow this video and if you will follow the requirement and if you will go to that website which I will discuss in this video, I'm sure there is a lot of vacancies are available. All the vacancies and all the website links I will share, and I will talk about the website. I will talk about the links of this website and how to click and how to apply this job. This video is more crucial for all of those people who really want to move to Australia with for job purpose. So let me start. Before that website I will talk about the vacancies, that how kind of vacancies are still available in that particular website. So number one is the peak packer vacancies. Electrical Peter vacancies are available. Senior software development developers, LO operator vacancy, star person vacancy are available. If you will apply for a peak packer, for example, if you are applying for a peak packer job, and if you will go to Google and you will write like HTTP W, for example, if you will write like a rare kind, so rare kind, so the first available option will be show like www.rarekind.com.au. So when you will click this website, here you can see these kind of vacancies, and you should make your CV international style CV, and you should apply for this kind of job, and it may possible to move to Australia easily. And the next and very important website is when you will go to Google, and when you will click a big food company, and you will the first available website will be https double dot double slash au.indeed.com, indeed.com, au.indeed.com. So when you will go to this website and when you will click here, and you can find a lot of vacancies like a pick packer vacancy, electrical fitter vacancy are also available. Senior software developer, LO operators, star persons, and these a lot of customer services jobs are available. So maybe don't let yourself go to this website and straight away you should apply for this particular job. And if you really need my help, you can send your CV. I can help you. It doesn't matter. And take care. Bye.